The Style panel is where you can customize the look of your website. You can style individual elements or save styles as classes and reuse them throughout your project. To open the Style panel, click on an item on the page. Each section contains different CSS properties that you can change and preview on the page. Whether you want to change the layout, typography, spacing, size, or color of an element, you can do it all in the Style panel. Let's make this headline a bit bigger. Hold down the Alt key and click on a label to reset or remove a style. If you click on a section label while holding the Alt key, you can delete all set styles of that section at once. To remove all styles from an element, you can click the item name. Let's select the subheadline inside this rich text container and make it a bit bigger. This time, we click on the H3 tag inside the selector field to style all headlines of this type across the whole site. You can always overwrite a style that is set via tag or class by applying styles to the item directly. HTML has several tags for all kinds of content, e.g. headlines, links, images, containers, and more. Styling HTML tags is a great way to set some default styles for your project. If you want all the pages in your project to have the same styling, such as the same font color on all pages, you can style the body tag. All styling set on this tag will be inherited by all body elements across your site. Any newly created pages will also use the same styling. Classes are another way to make changes across your site. Use classes to save styling information that applies to as many elements as you want across your site. To create a class, click into the selector field and name your class. Click on the class to apply styles to it. The class will turn blue. All changes you make in the Style panel will now be applied to that class. To reuse a class on another element, select the element and start typing in the selector field. You can see the class name appear in the selector drop-down list. You can then select the class by clicking on the class name. If we change the styles of this class now, it will affect all of these elements. In addition to styling elements, you can also customize layouts for different screen sizes in the Style panel using responsive breakpoints, also known as media queries. You can switch between different breakpoints using the device icons located in the top menu bar. Styles set via the Style panel or layout changes made by dragging items are applied only to the selected breakpoint. Note that styles set on the base breakpoint will affect all screen sizes.